And I've got a shape here. It's a basic circle and it's filled with a gradient. All kinds of different designs can be created just by using, say, custom shape tool as well. So with this, simply go over here to the parametric filters, and you can find that in Window and down to parametric filters, and then go down here to pattern. Just click, and that will generate 10 by 10. That's the default. And you can see then you've got these properties here. Now I'm just going to remove that panel, so I don't need that anymore. And with this, I can vary it in all kinds of ways. Now, in a previous video, I said there's no presets. There actually are some presets. Just go up here, and the presets are really useful because one of them is this one, random. So just click random, and that generates that from that shape very, very quickly. A wonderful sort of random fill design. And you can, of course, modify the settings, change the pattern size, shrink them, and much, much more, rotate and all that sort of stuff. Also, you'll notice here, if you go to the layers panel, you'll notice what you get the original design, and also you get this new layer, and that's got a parametric filter. Well, what you can do, if you don't want that, you can just simply turn it off. You can just turn it back on again. But also at any point, you can just double click here, and that will bring this panel up, and you can modify the settings. But also, as it's a layer, you can also apply effects to it. So go down here, click effects, and maybe go for, say, drop shadow. And you can add drop shadow all to that design and click OK. And that's applied to all of those designs in that pattern layer. But also, you can duplicate this. So just simply right click, and then with that, duplicate layer and click OK. Now, of course, at the moment, it looks exactly the same. What you can then do is you can just go over here and double click again. Double click that, and you can change various settings. Again, you can go to here, the presets, maybe select a different one, but also you can randomize. So just randomize that. And again, go to random there and randomize and so on. So literally thousands of different designs can be generated, and close that. Now you've got exactly the same as before. You've got this design here. It's got a drop shadow. It's also got the smart filter, and you can still continue to modify it. But also what you can do, you can blend them. So with this, just simply go up here and go, say, to lighten or screen, or go to difference and so on. You can create a variety of different designs like that. Hue, saturation, color, etc. All modifying that. But also you can apply other effects as well, not just drop shadow. Maybe go to filter and then down to distort and maybe twirl. And that will distort all of them. So let's just put that to about 156, click OK. And that creates that. It's all still editable. All these you can modify at any point. So you can double click this and again, change setting, randomize again, just to get a slightly different randomized twirl effect.